Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic problems involving addition and subtraction from your chapter 3 subtraction. Here we will discuss how can we apply the addition and subtraction in word problems and in basically some simplification problem. Now first of all, let us start with some word problems. Here is a word problem I have taken one number. Rakesh had rupees 5,000 with him. If he spends rupees 3,585 on buying clothes, how much money is left with him? So, see the clues here that Rakesh had this rupees with him and he spends rupees this on buying clothes. Now the remaining rupees is with him. So to find the remaining rupees we have to subtract. So for the answer part, let us write the statement. Rakesh had rupees 5,000 and he spent rupees, this one, arrange it, 5, 8, 5, 3. How much money is left with him? To find this we have to subtract between these two. So money left with him, rupees, subtract it. Consider 0 as 10. Borrowing 1 from here, consider 0 as 10 minus 1, 9. Again borrowing 1 from here, so it becomes again 9, considering 0 as 10. 1 borrowing from here, so it becomes 4. Now subtract. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. So money left with him, this rupees. This becomes the answer. Coming to problem number 2. By how much is 5,433 more than this one, 3,756? Clearly 5,433 is more than this one, but by how much you have to find it. So for this one again we have to subtract the smaller one from the larger one. Let us first directly subtract. Arrange it in proper way and do the subtraction. So 3 minus 6 not possible, consider 3 as 13. Borrowing 1 from here, it becomes 2. Again 2 minus 5 not possible, so consider it as 12. Borrowing 1 from here, it becomes 3. 3 minus 7 not possible, consider it as 13. Borrowing 1 from here, it becomes 4. Now subtract. 13 minus 6, 7. 12 minus 5, again 7. 13 minus 7, this become 6. 4 minus 3, 1. So this is the result. Now write the statement. Therefore 5,433 is more than 3,756 by 1,677. So this becomes the answer. Coming to problem number 3. Here is the problem number 3. Subtract the sum of this and this from this one. So you have to first find the sum of these two numbers. Let us find the sum first. Sum equal to 1493 and add with this below it. Add between these two numbers. Add. So 3 plus 7, 10, 1 carried. 2 plus 9, 11 plus 1, 12, 2, 1 carry. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11, again 1 carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3120. This is the sum of these two given numbers. Now you have to subtract this sum 3120 from this one. So subtract this one from this one, arrange it and then subtract. 3725 minus 3120. 3725, 3120, subtract it. So it becomes 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 2, 0, 7 minus 1, 6. 605 become the answer. Okay. Now coming to problem number 4. Here is the problem. The total number of men, women and children in a village is 9659. If the men and women are 3562 and 3258 in numbers respectively, find the number of children in the village. So here what are given? Total number of men, women and children is this, and number of men is this, number of women is this one. Let us first find the total number of men and women. So total number of men and women equal to, we have to add the number of men and women, that is this one and this one, 3562, and below this number add. Let us add this. 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry. 6 plus 5 11 plus 1 12, again 1 carry. 2 plus 5 7 plus 1 8, 3 plus 3 6, 6820. This becomes the total number of men and women, but total number of men, women and including children is this one. So number of children, this we get by subtracting this total number of men and women from the total number of men, women and children. So 9659 subtract 6820, subtract it. 9 minus 0 9, 5 minus 2 3, 6 minus 8 not possible, so consider it as 16. Borrowing 1 from here, it becomes 8. 16 minus 8 become 8, 8 minus 6 become 2. So this is the number of children, it becomes the answer. So this was the some word problems involving addition and subtraction. Now coming to some simplification problem. Here are some simplification problem. You have to simplify the values. Here is the problem number 1. 835 plus 61 minus 321. So addition and subtraction are there. In that case you have to keep in mind that first addition should be and then subtraction, otherwise you have to arrange. It is already arranged. So let us first find the addition. 835 and 61. Let us add. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9, 896, and subtract 321. So just write 321 below it and subtract. 6 minus 1 5, 9 minus 2 7, 8 minus 3 5. So it becomes 575. Okay. Now coming to problem number 2, simplification. 972 minus 561 plus 128. Here first subtraction and then addition is addition. So in that case we have to first arrange. First number 972 remains in its place, then take this addition part, plus 128 and then minus 561. Now we have to add between these two first. 972 and 128. Add this. 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry. 2 plus 7 9 plus 1 10, again 1 carry. 1 plus 9, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 1 0 0. So it becomes 1 1 0 0. Now we have to subtract this 561. So let us write 1 1 0 0 and then below 561 subtract. Consider 0 as 10. Here also consider 10, but 1 borrowing, so it becomes 9. Borrowing 1 from here, it becomes 0, but consider it as a 10, borrowing 1 from here. So 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 6, 3, 10 minus 5, 5. 539. This becomes the answer. Okay. Coming to problem number 3, simplification. Here 3384 minus 2814 minus 331. Here consecutively 2 times subtraction and subtraction. So in that case no need to arrange. First we will do this subtraction between these two and then subtract this one from the result. So let us first find this result. 3384 and then below this number 4182. Subtract 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 1 7, 3 minus 8 not possible, so consider it as 13. Borrowing 1 from here, so it becomes 2. 13 minus 8 becomes 5. 2 minus 2 0, so 570 minus, take this 331, subtract it. 570 minus 331, so 570, then below 331 subtract. 0 minus 1, consider 0 as 10, borrowing 1 from here, so it becomes 6. 10 minus 1 9, 6 minus 3 3, 5 minus 3 2, 239. This becomes the answer. So this was the sum simplification problem. So students, this was the total topics for today: word problems and simplification involving addition and subtraction. Hope you have understood and you can do same type of similar problems. And with this topic or this chapter is completed. In next class we will discuss another chapter. Thank you and goodbye.